Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video we're going to be showing you what I got in this month's Boxycharm. I did receive my box a little bit later, but we're still going to show you what I got in it. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload. And also, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So we're just going to go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so I got this about, today's Thursday, so I got this Monday of this week. Today's the 29th, and I decided to sit down and film this video. I didn't open it just because I like to have my box open before I start to film. So the theme for this month's box was Vacation, which is this gorgeous floral Hawaiian, amazing, colorful, very spring themed box. As always, if you don't know what Boxycharm is, you get 4 to 5 products for $21, and they are full-size products. They aren't sample size or deluxe sample sizes. They are 4 to 5 full-size products. So this month, they also sent a Butter London 25% off your next 50% or $50 purchase on butterlondon.com. The code is CHARM25. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. The code is CHARM25. You'll get it. It'll be linked down below as well. So the first thing that I see is going to be this pretty Vulgar blush. And this is the Make Them blush in the shade 18 Hush Blush. Now, this blush retails for $26. I do have to say, I've gotten, this is I think the second or third thing that I've gotten from, I think second. The second thing that I got from Pretty Vulgar in a Boxycharm. And I love the packaging. However, you can hear it sounds very, very cheap and plasticky. But it is very like detailed, and it fits along with a vintage theme. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on right now. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it on here, but let me, oh, that's really soft. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this swatch. There we go. Hopefully you guys can see that. So it's just a really pretty pink mauve tone. Oh, super, super, you could see the kickback right there. Very, very pigmented. Oh yeah. It's a very, very pigmented, soft, mauve pink, perfect for springtime. Some people got a very bright fuchsia pink in their box, and I did not like that. And like I said, that blush, this Pretty Vulgar blush, retails for $26. Now the next thing that I see is this South Main 3 eye gel packs. They reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisturize the eye area. I'm not going to be using this today because I did do my face makeup. So this will be in, like I'll use this off camera, and I will give you guys an update on how I like this. Oh, and those retail for $10, and you get 3 of them. So that's really good. The next thing that I see is this double-decker Butter London mascara. Jeez, I don't know why I just had a hard time. I will be using this, but I'm going to use it a little bit later on, just because there is some other things that I need to use before I put this on. Double the drama. And it does say 200% thicker lashes, 314% increase in lash curl, which I really don't know where they get those numbers from, but this is the tube compared to, what's a tube everyone has? So this is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise tube, and this is the Butter London Double Decker tube. You can see that it's a little bit thicker, but definitely a lot taller. I'll show you guys what one looks like right now though. Oh. It looks like a natural bristle, just the way that the bristles are all disheveled. So hopefully that works, and I will give that a try a little bit later on. Next, oh, I'm sorry. Geez. So that Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara, it retails for $20. So next is going to be the Vintage Cosmetics Smokey Eye Brush Set. This retails for $23.15. which is kind of strange. And there are 3 brushes in here. And it says the brushes say something on them. Step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, step 3, girl go, girl go, girl, wait, go girl go. I don't really know what that reference is to. Maybe it's not to anything, maybe it's just their cute little thing. And add color below the lash line. So, we know I like to rip into these packages like a barbarian. Okay, yeah, this is a smudger brush. I don't know if I like the white handle. They're soft. I don't know. We'll have to test them out before I could pass a judgment. This one's a little janky. It looks like it was crushed in the package, but we'll have to see. So we got these 3 brushes. And then last but certainly not least is the piece de resistance. I think that's what it's called or something like that. Too much packaging. So like I was saying, Boxycharm and Pure Cosmetics collab to come up with this specific palette. This is called the Pure the Complexion Authority eyeshadow palette. This retails for $36. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I've seen pictures and this looks stunning. So I'm kind of, oh my god, yes. Can we all just appreciate the fact that this is the first eyeshadow palette that I've seen that's come with a mirror in a Boxycharm. So I'm pretty happy about that. I don't have to reach for another compact or palette, but I will show you guys these stunning shades without possibly blinding you. Oh my gosh. Can we also appreciate that the names are on the front of the palette? Thank you so much, Pure and Boxycharm, for that. You heard us and you definitely delivered. So with that being said, I'm going to create an eyeshadow look using this palette and let's see how that goes. I'm going to jump in with the Vintage Cosmetics Step 2. This looks like a blending crease brush, but like I said, it looks a little bit janky. You can see how it's like bent. It's deformed. So I'm going to try to use this. If this doesn't work, I have a plethora of blending brushes that I can go through, but we're going to try the brush that was supplied first. So I'm going to go into Naked, which is this kind of, it looks like it has a little bit of shimmer. It's a peachy tone. So I'm going to try that. Peachy. Peachy, not pinky. Peachy. Oh, they're very pigmented. Oh, yeah. I don't know. This brush seems to be stabbing. It's just so janky. It's not even funny. But we're going to try our best. It's blending out beautifully. It is a really pigmented color. And it does have a lot of shimmer. A lot of shimmer. I'm actually going to go on top of that with Belle, which is right here. They look really different in the pan, but Belle is just a little more pink, but it's still in the same range. Just to try to cancel out that shimmer shadow. Because Belle is matte. Nope, that didn't work. I mean, it doesn't look terrible, but I'm actually going to go in with a different brush. So I'm going to go in with my handy dandy Real Techniques brush, and I'm going to take the shade BFF, which is right here, this plum shade, and I'm going to deepen up the crease with that shade. Again, very, very pigmented. There we go. Oh yeah. Blends out amazingly with the right brush, of course. I'm sorry, but that vintage brush was just not doing it for me. It looks a lot brighter and more vibrant on camera than it does in person, but we are going to continue. So I'm going to take the For the Money brush from Boxycharm or from Vintage Cosmetics, and I'm going to go in with the shade Bay, which is this light pink. Actually, I'm going to bring that more into my, there we go, into my crease. I'll clean up the mess underneath. This is why I don't do that first. But then I'm going to take this brush and go into the shade Bay, which is this, right here, this shimmer pink shade. And I'm going to, first I'm going to try that without a wet brush or setting spray, and I'm going to pack that oh, okay. So that has a duochrome effect, which probably would work better with some setting spray or water. So I'm going to do that. Oh yeah. You see that? Freaking stunning. Honestly. And I'm going to go back with my crease brush and just blend those two lines together. Next, I'm going to take the smudger brush, and I'm actually going to go into that blue. I know this look is kind of crazy, but they have a lot of pretty vibrant colors, and I don't really care. So that blue is a shimmer shade. Okay, so the very last thing to try is the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. And I didn't put any falsies or any eyeliner on because I want you guys to be able to see this. So let's give it a shot. It's very thick. Oh yeah. This is the kind of mascara that you're going to want to have eyeliner on with. It's very, very wet. To me, anyway. What do you guys think? Does it look like it made a huge difference? I mean, it definitely curled them and volumized them, that's for sure. But they are clumpy as hell. So let's try a light coat on the bottom layer. Nope, can't do it. The bristles are so disheveled that you automatically transfer it onto your cheek. Or, I mean, your under eye, not your cheek. Yep. It transfers. It's a very, very wet formula. And it feels like it's going to take forever to dry. I mean, they look good. But I'm definitely going to have to put falsies on with these. So, yeah. Okay, let's go through the box. So, the Pure Cosmetics palette, I absolutely loved. Once again, this retails for $36. The Butter London Double Decker Mascara, meh. Not so much for the lower lash line, but definitely if you're wearing falsies, you can use this. Sorry. You can use this for your top lashes, and they will help your falsies blend better. The Under L, that was $20, sorry. The South Mean Beauty Under Eye Gels, I'll have to keep you guys posted. for Monday's video. This video is going up Friday, so for Monday's video I'll have to keep you guys posted on how I liked those. The Vintage Cosmetics brushes, I liked 2 out of the 3, so I guess that's a win. This one, maybe I'll have to wash it and reshape it, but it definitely was just all over the place. I hate, by the way, little fun fact, I hate angled blending brushes, but I still always give them a try. So yeah, so 2 out of 3 ain't bad. And the Pretty Vulgar blush I absolutely loved. Aside from the packaging, like, I don't think it's worth $26 because of the packaging. However, like, if this was like $15, I would definitely purchase this. Just the packaging just seems so, like, not even drugstore. It seems a little bit dollar store-ish, but the shade is beautiful. The packaging is beautiful. It just doesn't feel like sturdy. I don't know. I would have wanted a harder plastic. Not necessarily glass or anything for this clear plastic opening, but definitely just a harder plastic for the packaging. But yeah, so I loved some things in this month's box, and I kind of liked other things. There wasn't anything that I hated immensely, but I mean, it's the luck of the draw. Sometimes you love everything in the box, sometimes you hate everything in the box, and it just so happens that I'm super happy with this month's box. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget, if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.